Mindful meditation is a powerful technique that can be effective in relieving stress and promoting overall well-being. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, allowing individuals to cultivate a greater sense of awareness and acceptance. Here's how you can practice mindful meditation for stress relief. 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. 2. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. You can focus on the rise and fall of your chest or the sensation of air passing through your nostrils. 3. Body scan. Bring awareness to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and gradually moving up to the top of your head. Notice any tension or sensations without judgment. Allow each part to relax as you bring your attention to it. 4. Observing thoughts. As you meditate, thoughts may arise. Instead of getting caught up in them, observe them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath or the present moment. Mindfulness is about acknowledging thoughts without becoming attached to them. 5. Grounding techniques. If you find your mind wandering or becoming overwhelmed with thoughts, use grounding techniques. You can focus on the sensation of your breath, the feeling of your body against the chair or floor, or even the sounds in the environment. 6. Guided meditation. Consider using guided meditation recordings or apps. Many resources provide structured mindfulness meditations led by experienced instructors, which can be helpful, especially for beginners. 7. Mindful walking. If sitting meditation is challenging, you can practice mindfulness while walking. Pay attention to the sensations in your feet as they lift and touch the ground. Notice the movement of your body and the environment around you. 8. Regular practice. Consistency is key. Set aside time each day for mindful meditation, even if it's just a few minutes. Regular practice can lead to increased resilience to stress over time. 9. Cultivate gratitude. Incorporate gratitude into your mindfulness practice. Reflect on things you are thankful for, fostering a positive mindset that can counteract stress. 10. Mindful breathing techniques. Explore different mindful breathing exercises, such as deep belly breathing or box breathing. These techniques can help activate the body's relaxation response. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that develops with practice. Be patient with yourself, and don't be discouraged if your mind wanders during meditation. The goal is not to eliminate thoughts, but to observe them with acceptance. Over time, practicing mindfulness can help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall mental well-being.